Hello traders, welcome to Ideal Advisories. In this video, I am going to explain my strategy for intraday trading. My strategy is very powerful, very effective, and it is result oriented. I don't use any indicators, those are available nowadays in the market. In this chart, what you are seeing here, see, it does not have any indicator. I mean, there is no EMA or there is no MACD or RSI or stochastic. I don't follow any indicator. The strategy, it is exclusively designed by me after a long research. After a long time research, and I have formed this strategy. This is very simple but very powerful, and you can make a lot of profit using this strategy. And follow this strategy very clearly. This chart shows MCX Gold traded on October 4, 2013. Okay. See, initially at 10:25, okay, in the morning 10:25, we have sell call below. We have sell call. The indicator is here. We have sell call, but it is not come down. Sell call below this level. As the sell call is not initiated, you ignore this. And later at 11 o'clock, we have the buy call at 29,230. So our buy price is 29,230. Stop loss is 29,200. How to use the soft stop loss, and we will explain this in our class, in our training class. You have to attend our training class so that we will explain how to find this trend and how to find the stop loss, how to book profit, everything. Our minimum profit, what we expect is 50 points. So our buy price is 29,230. Risk is and stop loss is 29,200. So risk is 30 points. Our minimum target is 50 points. So buy price plus 50. Our target is 29,280. But it moved up to 29,257. Target did not achieve. The stop loss hit. Okay. So the loss is and we are selling here. Yeah, correct. The stop loss is this minus this 29,230. So minus 30 points. We are losing minus 30 points in the first call. Next, we at 11:50. We have sell call at 29,201. 29,201 we have sell call. Stop loss is 29,236. 29,236. So the risk is 35 points. So our target is 50 points. Divided 50. Our target is 29,151. See, after initiating the call, and it made 29,159. Okay, and then again we are moving with it, and it came to 29,118. In between we have another signal here, and as we are in sell position, you just ignore it, and it moved. The low made is 29,118. So we booked our profit, the first profit in our trade, and the target is. So 50 points is our profit in this trade. And next we have buy call here, and above 29,216 we have buy call to 29,216. The stop loss is, this one is a stop loss, 29,170 is the stop loss, 29,170. So risk is 46 point risk. Our target, what we expect is 50 points. So our target is buy price plus 50 points. Our target is 29,266. And see, at 350 it made 29,284. Our target achieved. So the profit is 50 points. Next again at 3:55 we have buy call. Buy call is 29,284. Stop loss is 29,256. 29,256. So the risk is 28 point, just 28 point risk, and our target is 50 points. So target is 29,334. High made is 29,327. 320 and 327. What we expect is 29,334, but high did not made and our stop loss hits 284 plus 50, and high did not made. Our target is not achieved, so stop loss hits and we lose 50 points. Okay. Again we have sell call at 29,115. Sell price 29,215. Stop loss is 29,260. So now 50 point. Here it is not 50 point. Actually stop loss, this one we are selling here, and we lose 28 points. Okay, sorry. And our sell call again we have at 29,215, and stop loss is 29,260, and the risk is 45 points. So our target is 50 points, and what we expect is 29,116 is our target, 165 is our target, and it reached 29,060. So our target achieved. We have 50 points profit. And see again at 5:45 we have buy call at 29,271. 29,271. Our stop loss is 29,187. 29,187 is our stop loss. 187, and the risk is here 84 points. Okay, so our target is minimum 84 points. Buy price plus 84. Our target is 29,355. See, high made is 29,398. Target achieved. So our profit is 84 points. And then at 7:05 we have sell call at 29,236. Sell call at 29,236. The target is 29,297. So the risk is 61 points. So our target is minimum 61 points. Our target is 29,175, and it reached 29,1. It came to 29,084. 100 points it fell. But our target is, when you have the target, you book profit. So our profit is 61 points here, and then there is no call. See, there is no call for a long time, and again we have sell call at 29,072. 29,072. The stop loss is 29,131. 131. So the risk is here 59 points. So our target is minus 15. Our target is 29,113. See, it came below 29,013. That is, again we have 100 point fall, and our target achieved. So our profit is 59 points here, and then we have a buy call at 10:35. Let it be the last trade, because market is going to be finished at 11:30. So our buy call is 29,089. 29,089. The stop loss is 29,052. Sorry, 29,052. Risk is 37 points risk. So minimum our profit, what we expect is 50 points profit. So our profit is our target is 29,139. See, it reached 29,165. So again we booked our profit. Our profit is here 50 points. Okay, now it is 10:50. Let us stop our trade, and again we have a sell call, but don't initiate, and let us stop our trade with 10:50. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 calls. In 9 calls we have 2 losses and 7 profit. So the total profit is 346 point. In another way, the lot size, gold lot size is 100. So in the first call we have that 3000 rupees profit, and next call 5000 profit, first call 3000 loss, second call 5000 profit, third call 5000 profit, fourth call 2800 rupees loss, fifth call 5000 profit, and so on. We have good profit, and the end of the day you have profit 34,000. Imagine, okay, 1 second. Our entire profit, total profit is total profit for one lot trading we have 34,600 rupees. And see the risk, what the risk we are taking, very minimum 30 points, 35 points, 46 points, that's all. We don't take much more risk, but we have decent profit. For every trade we expect at least 50 points, I mean at least 5,000 rupees we are expecting. And of course in our trading strategy, stop loss may be hit, it may hit, in every strategy stop loss will be hit, but the consistent profit matters, and my strategy gives you consistent profit. And to attain this program, and I take classes, training classes for traders for intraday trading purposefully, especially for intraday trading. You can attend the classes, and the classes are organized in major cities in all over India. So you can call me anytime at my number 934440424424. Okay, so this is my mobile number. Sorry. My mobile number. You can contact 934440424424 for more detail. Okay, and get profit only. Thank you.